What's cracking, guys? It's your boy Tomando here with another video, and today we're bringing you guys a new project. It's an EG hatch, guys. I'm super excited to start building this thing, and yeah, has lots and lots and lots of potential because it's clean. So let's go ahead and start the video. There's a lot we're gonna do to this car. We're gonna order all these window trims brand new. We're gonna do the top brand new. Yeah, it's honestly gonna look pretty darn nice. Then we're gonna get all the clips for this so it could all line up. We got a little surprise on the engine. Quick little get through about the interior. Oh shoot, I locked it. We're gonna put a wing on it. Gonna put some shocks in the trunk. Here's how it looks from the inside. It's pretty complete, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's mismatched parts, but it's complete. There's gonna be quite a few upgrades that are gonna go in here right now. For example, we're missing those. Seats are ugly, blah, blah, blah. So let's go ahead. As you guys can see, the strut in the back is blown. Yeah, let's go ahead and start putting some stuff in here. So first things first, about to show you guys all the parts that we got for the car in 3, 2, 1. Bam! And there you go. We got the speaker covers. Those things are crazy hard to get. We got 2 new rear hatch struts. We got the GSR tops with the RSX bottoms. We got 2 new pillars and the window trim. I mean the door trim, because on this side the trim was a little nasty. So I was like, might as well. It was $2. So let's go ahead and take that off. So first things first, we're gonna take off the seats. These seats aren't that hard to take off. Go, Marty. Hágale pa' enfrente. So go ahead and pull that one. So that one's pretty much off. Yep. Now this one, go ahead and grab it and then pull it that way. Métete adentro. Pull it that way. That way. Pues mueve esto, Marty. Go. Let me open this. Pull con guanas. You have to pull from the bottom. It's está atorado allá in the corner. You have to pull it from this side like that.
One eternity later.
Here you go. Ahora sí, fold them together. Fold it. Yeah, like that. Like that. Now carry it out. You're gonna be doing all the work. Oh, and then we're gonna need some strut covers. Doesn't look like it has it. So it looks like we need a 10 right there. Ahí está la herramienta. Oh shoot. Ponlo para adentro. Hurry up, bruh. The guy painted it nardo gray on the inside. Yeah. It's supposed to be red. Saca la caja de herramienta. Es un 12. See if he finds it, guys. Ooh, he got it. Lucky number 12. La matraca. Y la extensión. Dang. Honestly, I feel like we should put the struts on first, but whatevers. We'll put the seats. Corre, fíjate a ver si va a quedar. Over there. Look. Oh shit, it works. Right. Ahí lo tiene right there in the middle. Acá era. Right here is just one. Ahí lo tiene. Métete adentro. Yeah. Oh shit, the carpet. You need new carpet. I just realized that one has a hole in it. Dang, si sabe. Sheesh. Alright, take it out. I think you can take it out now. Put the matraca on the floor. Y ahora sí sácalo. It's coming out. Pull up. Pull up. Other way. Ahí está. Sheesh. Dang, Nardo Gray, that's right. A ver si van a quedar las leathers. Sheesh. They're gonna look clean. Let's go ahead and clean them actually before you put them in. So let's quickly go get a rag, wet rag, and get that done. Let me quickly pause you guys. But that's how it's looking. Not great. Está quedando el chile. Ya va la cosa. Wonder why I have the hole right there.
That's what she said.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
Cheers, check it out. Así, mira. Ahí está. Así, límpiale. Let's go. Alright guys, aquí tenemos el chalán, my brother aka putting in work. Lo estoy enseñando right here how to clean those seats, because you know, you gotta show them young, because if not, al rato quiere que le hagan todo. But yeah, super easy. I put my little contraption juice on there para que se quede bien limpiecito. Took out most of the grime. He's just scrubbing it, giving that good old elbow grease para que quede bien. Ay. Voy a agarrar rato que se sienten hasta se van a resbalar. Might have a little bit of tire shine in there. No, I'm just kidding, guys. That'd be crazy. Sales todo manchado. No, but yeah, guys. Bam! Just like that. I'm not gonna say it's perfect, but it's definitely better than it was. Ahora sí, a ponerlo. Yo te lo paso. Get in there. Here. Agarra, pues. Espérate. Pues tiene un pico. Ahí está. Damn, son. Acomódalo dentro. Ahí está. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. No lo metiste en los hoyos in right there. I'm pretty sure that's why it's not going in. Alright guys, we had some technical difficulties, but Marty figured it out. Now I'm just watching him, making sure that he knows he can do it himself. Ahora sí, miras. Nomás atínale con un tal hoyo. Once you get it with you, I wouldn't put my finger there. You're gonna stab your finger, dude. Alright guys, I'm gonna help him real quick. Alright guys, after struggling for a little bit, we realized that this hole was too small because of this adapter. So now we know it has an adapter. Let's go ahead and put it on now. Watch this, guys. This is what happens when you have years of experience as a building Hondas. Ahí está. She called me master mechanic. Yes. Tienes que echarle ganas, dude. Check it out, guys. You guys ready? Check this out. Oh, shoot. Cheese. That's right. That's right. Clean. All right, guys. We're going to go ahead and replace these. So as you guys can see, they have a little hole right there. So anyways, these ones, I don't know if they were replaced before, but we're going to go ahead and take them off. On this one, they're standard, which doesn't make sense. So we're replacing them. They were a 7/16. So let's go ahead and get the other one. Where's it at? Need one of these and one of these. Okay, let's go ahead. But hold it. Just put yours away. Let's go ahead and slap it on. Okay, there we go. And the other one. condition, no? Oh fuck, don't tell me I broke it.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't love anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't love.
No manches, guys. I ended up forgetting to record what I did at the end. But anyways, I'll tell you guys what it is. Pretty much just put it all together and shut the trunk. I don't know what else to say, but that was it. I hope you guys ended up enjoying the video. Saw us put in those seats in the back and add the little struts so the trunk can go up. Yeah, they're from Amazon, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. But that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it and catch you guys in the next one. Ciao, ciao!